Dave, show 'em what you're doing with them hooks.
Those are hog hunter hooks, aren't they, Dave? Show 'em what we're fishing for. Hogs. Some big fish, folks. These are like mid-range salmon in a small stream.
Yeah, show 'em what kind of hooks we're going to put on, Dave. The hog hunters. Yeah. So these are the hog hunters. All right, they're very small for mid-range salmon. Freshwater stream salmon. We have these power baits here. I also have a pink flapper worm. I'm not going to use that. That was just holding these hooks.
Dave, you're going to bore them with all the hook stuff. Wait till we get down to the stream. Just tie that size hook on that we want.
Yes. So I'm going to show you. You got to clip this one off here. It's a little bit too big for these here. And then we're going to get to it. Put that one. All right, we took that one off. Where do we get down this? I got to put a hog hunter on right now. They're very small, but they catch big fish, believe me.
Believe me, folks, we're going to catch a massive fish now. We didn't have time to get to the Delaware, Bogley. All right? Bogley, yes.
Forgot how to open the package. Has no easy way to get in there. All right, I'll be right back. I got to get one of these here.
Here's a chartreuse, Dave.
Chartreuse it is. Okay, guys, I want you to see how I twist tie this. You see that?
That's amazing, Dave. That twist tie really works. How many wraps? 8, 9?
Something like that, Jim. Something like that. So we're going to twist it. If I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put it under this here. My eyes ain't what they... Hold on. Alright, I put it through the bottom loop.
Bottom loop, bottom loop. I see that, Dave.
And then I'm going to put it through the whole big loop itself. Did it go through?
No, Dave.
Alright, I'll get it. To it there. There, I got it. I was going to secure it with my teeth. Jim, secure it with your teeth.
Pull it tight, Dave.
Then I'm going to pull it tight here. Jim, spit on it. I'll spit on it. There.
Yeah, my saliva's a little low today, Dave. Yeah, you got saliva helps it slip through, folks.
Without damaging the line, I'm going to just pull that tight. See that? Let's see, I'm showing up closer. Alright.
Dave, you got a big tail there you gotta get rid of. Cut that off.
Yes. Let's take that there. Cut that tail off right there. Hold it. There you go. Hold it right there.
See, folks, my beard is just, I can put hang hooks and lures in this beard. All I do it carefully. Carefully.
Yes, okay. We're ready to go fishing.
Bobby, wake up.
Give me that there. Oh, jeez. Let's tag it up here. Get that hook there, put that on there, match that on there, tighten it up, and we're ready to hike on. Let's go.
I'm so excited fishing with Dave. Boing, 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 boing.
Yeah, I was.
Bobby! Bobby! I got you, Bobby. Yeah. Oh, jeez! Bobby! I got you, Bobby. Get back in the backpack, Bobby.
Yes, get back in the backpack, guys. Glasses.
Got your glasses, Dave.
Hold on, there. There you go, man. Let's get going.
Dave, we almost there.
Yeah, stay cool, calm, collected.
Oh, we're collected, all right.
Let's get down. There's a lot of stickers to go through for you guys, man. Oh, jeez.
Better be some fish in here, Dave. I'll feel good.
At least you're not getting snagged on all these dang stickers. We gotta catch that. Oh, here it is. All right, I'm gonna get these guys out of the bag here. Let's see what it looks like, see if there's any movement. There should be some activity around here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, here we are. Oh, we're in the spot now.
Yeah, we're here.
You're here, guys. You're here. Where should I set them at? Dang, there's nowhere for you guys to over there on those tree roots. Yeah. All right, hopefully, guys, we can get this going.
Dave, you got me standing right next to the poison ivy.
There's no choice, man. Just don't fall in, man. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Catch us something, Dave. We need some dinner tonight.
Yes. I'm gonna need to put some bait on here. We're gonna have to speed up this video. Okay. Ah, jeez. Definitely. Ah, jeez. Went through the wrong loop. That's what happened. I hit that twig. Finger. Come on, go through there. You fit before. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, man. I can't believe this. I just can't believe this. I gotta shut this camera off. I can't believe this. The thing won't go back in the hole where it popped through. Probably gonna shut the whole thing off. Here we go. We got the pink worm on there. Let's get the fishing on the hog hook.
Got your drag set there?
Whoa, Jim, Bobby, I just put it in the water.
Careful that fish don't get poison ivy, Dave. Don't get it in that poison ivy, whatever you do.
Take it off, Bobby. Hey.
Get it for me, Dave. Bobby, you're getting a little rusty, Bobby.
You guys are terrible today, man. Terrible. I'll take it off myself. Tell them what it is, Jim.
Like we said earlier, that's a mid-range creek salmon.
Mid-range creek salmon, folks. Now, we could have went to the Delaware for that, but we didn't have time. Bogey's got some good shows up there. We're going to release this one. Let's see. See if we can get another one. Let's aim it a little bit more this way. See if we can catch one on the next cast. They're a little skittish in here. You gotta really be good technique with these here. You gotta jig it a little bit, you know. Fool them a little bit. Let's try that again. You gotta put that technique. Oh, got it. This is it's bigger than the last one, man. That mid-range creek salmon. Oh man, almost took the bait. Stole the bait. This place is loaded, folks. This place is loaded.
That's a bite-sized, sardine-sized, mid-range salmon, folks. Mid-range sardine in freshwater.
Yes, Jim, it is. Don't
even think about letting me slip in the water, Dave. I know you would laugh your ass off.
Yes, I'll try to put you up here a little bit better. Try it again. Let's swing it on over to the... I'm using these hog ties. Bring it around a little bit. Different range here. You can still see Jim. Be very stealthy. Probably one over by the tree ropes. Got it. Hey, she's bigger than the last one, Bobby.
Snap out of it, Bobby.
That's another mid-range salmon, folks. This one's probably the biggest one of the day. I'll get it. Stand still, man. Head up, head up, head up. I'm telling you that. Hold it up there, Bobby. Right on, man. They can't see you. Come on. Show them how big it is. That's a fine mid-range salmon right there. That's about a 5 3/4, 6 inches maybe.
We don't even need a license for these type of fish in this creek here. Check it out. PA game wardens, you can try to find us if you want, but I doubt if you'll be able to find us anywhere. That's right, folks. We've been fishing without a license for years. Nobody can stop us. It's a nice one, Bobby. Nice one.
Right on, right on. Let's get another one. See what we can do.
Step stealthy, Dave.
I am trying. Maybe they're even in the shallow over here. Let me see. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Got it. Put the camera up a little bit. All they're doing is seeing you guys constantly. They ain't gonna know how to do this.
That's right, Dave. Very considering it.
Another one right there. Another mid-range salmon. Creek salmon, that is.
Nice release, Dave.
Thank you.
Nice, gentle, and stealthy.
Yes. Stirring up a bit of mud here. It might confuse them. Maybe they won't be as spooky. Make sure that drag's set. You don't... Oh, jeez! Oh, guys, I just can't believe this.
Dave got another one.
Bring it up here. Why do you keep changing your voice, man? I'm trying to imitate Jim sometimes. In case he's sick, I'll be able to take his place. All right. Let's get out of here, man. Caused enough of a ruckus. Yes.
It's too much poison ivy around here, Dave. If your lady sees this video, she's gonna freak you out and make you take like 3 or 4 showers in a row.
Yeah, I guess you're right. You're right. We'll get one more fish. Let's get one more.
Jig it, Dave.
I'm jigging it.
Too fast. You gotta slow it down a little bit, Dave.
Slow it down.
Let it hit the bottom.
Oh, you're right. I let it hit the bottom and he grabbed it right away, you see? Let's get out of here.
Folks, this is probably the biggest mid-range salmon in the creek we got today. How about that? Alright, release it safely and stealthily, though. Alright.
Yes. So we have the mid-range creek salmons. I'm going to hold it up there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ah, jeez, it got away. All right, let's get out of here. One more. Just one more. Oh, 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 oh. If I was flathead catfishing today, man, if I was flathead catfishing today, I'd get some big flatheads. Check that out. It's out like this. Ah, YouTube thumbnail. Let's get out. So we're going to go to another mushroom hunting location in another area. Get in the bag, you guys.
It's too hot there.
You gotta walk in. Gotta walk, man. Oh, there. Say, how did this guy get like that where he's got puppets and talks to himself? I used to work 12-hour night shifts. I used to work 12-hour night shifts and went big, long fishing trips by myself. It's a long story. I'll put it in another video. But it worked out. Let's get it in the bag.
Not head first, dude.
Head first in the bag. Oh, Dave, no. All right, let's go. Get out of here. We are going to drive up to another park, do a hike in there, see if they have any chanterelles. It might be wet enough, I don't know. We didn't get the flood that we're supposed to get today. We didn't get any rain. We got a sprinkle this morning. All right, let's go.